Hello and welcome back to my channel. Happy fall, y'all. So in today's video, we're going to be doing some cleaning motivation, grocery haul. We're going to be putting up fall decor. And right now we're letting the chickens out, let them stretch their legs. It's a lot going on in this video. I hope you enjoy. If you're new here, please subscribe. Subscribers, thanks for viewing and supporting. After being outside with the chickens, I drove to my neighborhood Aldi and I picked up some groceries for the week. But I did not clean out my fridge before going grocery shopping, so I'm gonna have to take the time to do that and clean up this kitchen. My husband bought this new juice, I believe from Tropicana, and it's very good. I was drinking it here. I will show you the juice later on in the video when I clean out my fridge. Do not be alarmed. It has been a very, very, very long time since I cleaned this refrigerator, so no judgment. Let's do it. These juices are very, very good. This one, Tropical Punch, made with real fruit juice, and then pineapple mango, made with real fruit juice. Good bar. Look like a corner of cheese. Keep that. More cheese. This here is for our dogs. My husband gives them raw chicken as treats on top of their dog food every now and then. So this is why it's not wrapped in some kind of saran wrap or in a container. We just throw it on top of the dog's food.
switch off, but the only thing that you could depend on is your survival skills.
Mm. This is my grocery haul from Aldi. My goal was to spend $150. I spent $148, so I was very happy about that. I got pizza, some condiments, peaches. I'm making a bread pudding. I have soap, refills. I have a bag of rice. I have some chicken here, potatoes. Yeah, just a lot of food, fruit. I bought some fruit. And I'm making spaghetti for the kids for lunch this week. And I have different meals, cream of chicken for the week. I'm going to do orange chicken also for dinner. I'm going to go ahead and prep the orange chicken and spaghetti tonight so I can get a head start on the rest of the week. I have onions. I have a lot of food. I was very, again, excited that I stayed within the budget. I have some grits here. Again, I said fruit. And I'm really starting to get into mangoes. Like I bought a mango, I think about 3 or 4. And it was so good. I'm not sure if mangoes are in the season right now, and that's why it tastes so good. I'm not sure, but it's a fairly new fruit to me. It's not something I usually gravitate towards. But since this video, I have bought many, I would say maybe about 10 mangoes. I eat probably like 1 or 2 a day now. It's so, so good. So if you never tried mango, I would highly suggest it. It's very sweet and good right now. And Aldi had them for about $1.09 per mango. You should give it a try. And I'm just showing you the rest of the things I got. I'm trying sunflower oil. This is probably my 3rd or 4th time. I use it in place of olive oil sometimes. It's like half the price, so.
Mama, I'm getting hungry.
Typically, I will wash my fresh fruit and dry them and store them in plastic bins in the refrigerator, but today was not the day. I did not do that today. I just wanted to go ahead and put all my food in the refrigerator so I can move on to my other task. I harvest these tomatoes from my garden this morning. I'm curious, how much money you think I saved growing my own tomatoes? It's fall. We hate to close the pool, but it's that time. So now I'm about to put out all of my fall decor. I'm starting outside. I'm not really doing much this year. I'm just going to change the flags that I have here. As you can see, it said Hello Summer. I'm changing it to my pumpkin flags. And I have a little decor in the house. Not much. This year is not going to be the year that I decorate, go all out for holidays, the seasonal changes, just very minimum. Can you guess which store I'm in? It is Hobby Lobby, yes. I was checking out the stems because I did want to add stems to the vases and vases that I have in the house, because typically I would keep them bare and just place the vases throughout. But I said, let me at least step it up a little bit and add some stems to make the house feel homey and cozy. And so that's what I'm looking for here in Hobby Lobby, stems to add to my vase. And behind me is this beautiful bush that is right by the pool. That's where I am. And I'm thinking, because I was at Hobby Lobby earlier today, maybe they had some stems just like this. So I may use some of these as some stems in the house. What do you think? So that's what it looks like now. I think I'm gonna cut some of these a little later. I have the dogs out now. I need to focus on them. But I have it all around the pool. Some over there. And we have some behind me over there. I may have my own stems growing in my backyard. So I may get to use those instead of the ones I bought at Hobby Lobby. Thinking about it. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna try both and see which one I like best. These are the fall decor or essentials that I have collected over the years. I got that from Hobby Lobby last year. I like the pumpkin stems. I have the Febreze pumpkin spice. I found those sponges at Aldi. I got that at, I think, Dollar Tree or maybe a yard sale. The white pumpkins I got from Dollar Tree last year. I got the sunflower stems from Cracker Barrel last year. So I'm just gonna place these throughout different areas in the house. Take down, the spring and summer florals here and replace that with my fall decor. I decided to go back outside and cut the leaves from this bush here, and it turned out so nice. Look, just like what I wanted to buy at Hobby Lobby, or one of the options. So I put it in the vase. I love it so much. I end up returning the stems that I purchased for this room because I just so impressed of how I was able to be resourceful and use what was already in my backyard. It looks great. I'm gonna place this pumpkin at the front entrance of my home. I really haven't shown this area, the foyer here. I'm still working on it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you. So now it's late. This is the orange chicken I made to go over this white rice. I have spaghetti here for the kids' lunch. I used the fettuccine noodles that I purchased on accident instead of the spaghetti noodles. And this is the peach bread pudding. It was supposed to be a cobbler, but it turned out more like a bread pudding. I'm going to treat myself to a dessert. The dessert I just made. I had a very productive and busy day. I hope you enjoyed spending this day with me. I enjoyed filming. And until next time, have a good one.